Mrs. Lovey's coming. She's coming to join you. She's very worried. Come on, ducks. Oh, Mrs. Lovey abandoned you. Oh, here she comes. She loves you. There she goes. Here's Mr. and Mrs. Love Duck. Hello. Good little ducks. You better now, Lovey. Now you'll swim.